Bitwise sticks to $200,000 Bitcoin price target despite rising global tensions. Bitcoin. Bitwise. Market. Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hougan reiterated his December prediction that Bitcoin could hit $200,000 before the close of 2025. Last updated, April 10, 2025. Author. Ruholamin Haqshanas. Author. Ruholamin Haqshanas. About author. Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 10, 2025 at 11:33 GMT +3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Despite mounting global trade tensions and economic uncertainty, institutional crypto investment firm Bitwise remains confident in its bold year-end Bitcoin price forecast. In a blog post published April 9, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hougan reiterated his December prediction that Bitcoin could hit $200,000 before the close of 2025. Hougan argued that recent developments in U.S. trade policy, particularly under former President Donald Trump's renewed tariff push, could act as tailwinds for Bitcoin. Bitwise says weaker U.S. dollar could boost Bitcoin's global appeal. According to Hougan, the administration's apparent willingness to weaken the U.S. dollar, despite risking its role as the world's reserve currency, could ultimately benefit decentralized assets like Bitcoin. He pointed to an April 7 speech by Steve Miron, chair of the White House Council of Economic Advisers, who criticized the dollar's reserve status for distorting global trade and undermining American manufacturing. Hougan believes a deliberate shift away from a strong dollar could have both immediate and lasting consequences for Bitcoin's trajectory. In the short term, there's a well-documented inverse relationship between the U.S. dollar index, DXY, and Bitcoin, Hougan wrote. Dollar down equals Bitcoin up. I expect this pattern to continue. The DXY, which tracks the dollar against a basket of 6 major currencies, has dropped over 7% since the start of 2025, per TradingView data. Over the long run, Hougan envisions a move away from a single global reserve currency toward a diversified system. In this future, he sees Bitcoin and gold playing a more prominent role in international finance. If the dollar's stability comes into question, governments and corporations will have to look elsewhere, he added. Supporting this view, VanEck recently reported that China and Russia have begun settling some energy transactions in Bitcoin, hinting at a possible shift in global trade dynamics. Meanwhile, Trump has temporarily paused most of his proposed reciprocal tariffs for 90 days while maintaining a 10% tariff on all nations except China, which faces a 125% rate. Crypto analyst Will Clemente echoed Hougan's optimism, calling Bitcoin the fastest horse amid global economic uncertainty. Could China's yuan devaluation trigger a Bitcoin price bull run? Arthur Hayes thinks so. Meanwhile, BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes has argued that China's response to U.S. tariffs, particularly a potential devaluation of the yuan, could ignite a fresh wave of capital flight into Bitcoin. Drawing parallels to previous years like 2013 and 2015, Hayes argued that similar economic conditions led Chinese investors to turn to BTC as a hedge against currency depreciation. As reported, cryptocurrency markets faced a brutal correction on what's being dubbed Black Monday, with total liquidations exceeding $1.36 billion in the day. Crypto wasn't alone in the sell-off. U.S. stock futures also plunged Sunday night, heightening fears of a broader market crash. S&P 500 futures fell 5.98%, Nasdaq 100 futures slid 6.2%, and Dow futures dropped 5.5%, all pointing to a chaotic start to the trading week. BTC is currently trading at around $81,700, up 7.5% in the past 24 hours, despite a 32% pullback from its January peak, mirroring past bull market corrections. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Panic selling hits XRP, but is this the perfect setup for a surprise rally? BTC tops $82,000 as ETH and XRP jump 13% on Trump's tariff pause. SEC approves listing, trading of options on ETH ETFs. Altcoin news. Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Price analysis. XRP's V-shaped reversal turns heads. Are $3 plus targets now in play? 14 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Charles Hoskinson predicts Bitcoin could hit $250,000 as tech giants eye stablecoins. 21 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025, top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medkeelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.